Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on email notifications on your accounts on X Twitter. Easy and quick. First click on your profile and now click settings and privacy. Now click notifications and now click preferences and now click email notifications, and here we'll find it, email notifications. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on, and that is for today. That's how to turn on email notification setting, email notifications, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.